garlic, spinach, potato casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the Palak recipes and one of the most unique of the spinach recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most different of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes. It is also known as Lasoon Aloo Palak. We're going to make garlic, spinach, potato casserole or Lasoon Palak Paneer. We've taken around 150 grams of green spinach. We've taken around 100 grams of potatoes peeled and cut into pieces. Boiling the spinach, putting the palak or spinach into the grinder. Close and grind well. After putting in around 25 ml of water and grind well. The next ingredients are around 40 cloves of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Garlic. Saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. Put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt thoroughly. Now put in a quarter spoon of mixture spices. Mix. Put in the potato pieces. Put in salt to taste. Mix that a bit. Cover it again. Pour in 100 ml of water, mix, and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes in casserole. Now pour in the ground spinach, mix, and let the mixture cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Now the garlic spinach potato casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic spinach potato casserole or Lasoon Palak Aloo or Lasoon Aloo Palak. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the spinach recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.